It's another travel day. We're heading from Kinross in the eastern UP back west for a week so that we can explore some places we didn't get to check out. Want to have anything to say about our stay in Kinross?
It was awesome up until this morning. Hello and welcome back. If it's your first time here, I'm Scott.
And I'm Allison.
And we're
Jarhead and Ginger's Journey.
We're full-time RVers. We do destination videos, tips and tricks, and all things RV. If that sounds like something you'd like, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and come along on our journeys. We went over to Mackinac Island yesterday, and I left my bike folded up in the back of my truck, knowing that today was a move day and I'd have to pack it up. I went out this morning, I hit the button in the truck to drop the tailgate, and I came around the backside, bike's gone.
Yep.
Somebody walked off with my $1,000 electric bike today, so I'm having a great day.
We've been good about, or he's been pretty good about keeping it locked up, but yesterday we just had a long day and forgot it was in the back of the truck, I guess, and so now we're, I guess, looking for a new e-bike if anybody wants to sponsor us for one. Anyhow, it's a pretty bumpy road. I guess we're used to that here in Michigan, but we're also going through a bit of construction. We're on a 2-lane road for most of the way. I'll show you some of the scenery.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. Ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of a stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of.
We're out exploring today, and we decided to come check out the Manistique Lighthouse. There's a little boardwalk that leads from the parking lot, boardwalk and sidewalk. Unfortunately, the sidewalk's broken beyond the lighthouse, so we're not going down that way, but we want to show you this pretty lighthouse.
Yeah, the boardwalk is actually washed out just down here to our left, so we're as far as we can go. But let's check out the lighthouse. It's actually right at the mouth of the Manistique River, which is right behind us, and beyond that is one of the Great Lakes. Which one?
Lake Michigan.
Lake Michigan.
The Manistique Lighthouse is steel plate constructed and fire engine red and gives safe passage to commercial and recreational boaters. The East Breakwater Light is 35 feet tall and was commissioned in 1915, and it was automated in 1969. It has a 300mm plastic lens.
Well, we stopped here at the Big Spring Tavern on our way to Kitch Iti Kipi. We're gonna go in and grab a bite to eat for lunch and probably have a local beer or two. We'll take you along with us, show you what we get, and tell you how it is.
We're here for lunch. We have Xanadu with us. She's over playing in the grass. It is dog friendly outside. They have a couple of tables that are here in the shade, and they also have a patio, nice sunny patio. And we both got just the regular burger with cheddar, but I got these fries that are garlic parmesan fries, and they are so flavorful. I already sampled one. Amazing. And the burger comes with chips, or you can upgrade to fries.
And I didn't upgrade, I just got the regular chips. I did get, as usual, a local IPA. I have tried that out, and it is very good.
And I got root beer.
That's the only beer she likes, y'all. Well, we finished up the lunch here. I couldn't even eat all my burger, and I left some of the chips also. And Allison left some of her fries and part of her burger also. It was very tasty. They put the burger on a ciabatta bread, and it was just too thick for me. Other than that, it was very good, very tasty, but it was just too thick of bread for me. So I took off the top piece of it and just ate the bottom section of the bun.
Better for you that way anyhow. I liked my burger too, and I really like those garlic Parmesan fries. They were amazing.
They were very tasty. I tried one, and they do have a lot of flavor.
And Xanadu likes chewing on sticks and rolling around in the grass.
Chasing bugs.
And eating pickles.
Arms of gold. In your arms of gold. It's funny how easily a life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply see that I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt? The climb we did was unreal. You made me so speechless. I just can't believe it. You broke the coldness somehow.
Well, we're here at Kitch Iti Kipi. We're waiting in line. We're next in line, actually, to go. We'll be on the next boat. We've heard a lot about this place and never been here. The water is supposed to be about 45 degrees. We have seen already some huge trout in there. And the boat is person operated. You have to turn the wheel to get the boat to go out and across on the cable. So we're going to get on here in about 15 minutes, and we're taking you with us. Let's go see it.
As you can see, this young man is steering us across the spring, and it's just on a cable, goes from one side to the other in approximately 15 minutes.
How hard is it to turn that wheel?
It was easier at the start than for now.
Easier at the start than now? So the ranger at the other side of the boat launch said that these sand boils are at a rate of about 10,000 gallons per minute. The temperature is around 45 degrees year round.
We didn't drive the boat because we left that for the kids to do, but looks like it was exciting for everybody except Xanadu. She was whining. She didn't know what was going on. We just heard a big one jump behind us. Those trout are big, and we came here on Sunday at first, and the line was really long, so we just decided to come back. And today is Tuesday, and it's still about the same line. So I guess probably come early if you want to get it less crowded, but it wasn't that bad of a wait.
It wasn't. The boat ride round trip is about 15 minutes, and they take probably 30 to 40 people on per boat ride, so it actually goes fairly quick.
Found the penny machine, put in the 51 cents, and I gotta select the one. I want the one with the boat, the little raft. It says Big Spring Kitch Iti Kipi, and here it goes. It's just like I'm driving the boat, I guess. Kind of hard to do with Xanadu on one hand. And there it is. What should I do with it? What do y'all recommend? Any kind of book or anything, or like stick it on, I don't know, your refrigerator with a magnet? What would you do with your pennies?
Every day I see miserable people doing things they hate just to fit in. I know it's easier to get along peacefully, but have you ever thought about you? Don't know why I keep on doing what I'm told to do, when the rules are made up by someone we never knew. Baby, wipe your...
Seeing all of that beautiful clear water at Kitch Iti Kipi made us thirsty. So after a quick stop at the grocery store to get something to go along with the carne asada I'm making for dinner, we stopped at this cute little winery. It's called Mackinac Trail Winery and Brewery, and I got a hard apple cider cinnamon.
And I ordered an Up Yours IPA.
That
or
just
maybe it's UP yours, since we are in the UP.
that just sounds rude.
I haven't tried mine yet. It's a good one.
This is good for a cider. I'm not a cider gal, but it's better than beer. I did taste the chocolate port, and it just wasn't enough chocolate and too much port, so I'm going to stick with the cider. And you'll have to see this little building. It's cute. You wouldn't even think anything's here, but the view is amazing. As you can see behind us, is the Lake Michigan and the beautiful boats behind us, and it's just a nice little stop, and it is dog friendly. There are tables outside, not much or any seating inside, I don't think.
Really small little building.
We don't need someone to feel alright. Let's do the streets on Monday. Let's call your exes and tell them they can join us too. Why always worry about money when you can get rich by trying to see the outside?
Just a few steps away from our campsite is this cute little bar and grill. Let's go check it out. This is a short little path down to the bar and grill. Let's follow this path and see how it comes out.
I know it's hard sometimes to believe it, that you deserve more than me.
I got the Mermaid's Tail, which has the spiced and dark rum, I think, and it's very good.
Looks crazy. I got the Yooper Ale. Let's see how it is.
I was wrong, it's mermaid water.
Have you ever really thought about you? Don't know why I keep on doing what I'm told to do, when the rules are made up by someone we never knew. Baby, wipe your tears and hear me out. We don't need someone to feel alright. Let's do the streets on Monday. Let's call your exes and tell them they can join us too. Why always worry about money?
We found out from the owner that this place closed down in fall of 2020 and it just reopened this June. And right now they have a limited menu, just appetizers, but they have a full bar. And I would definitely come back.
It's a great view here.
Yes, it is. We're going in here to the Herford and Hops Brew Pub in Escanaba, Michigan. We heard that they've got kind of a crazy menu, everything from steaks to Mongolian barbecue. Let's go check it out.
We don't need someone to feel alright. Let's do the streets on Monday.
Well, we just finished up dinner at Herford and Hops. They had music and it was kind of loud inside, so we weren't able to tell you about our food, but I got the cod fish and chips.
And after much debate between steak and Mongolian barbecue and pasta, I got the pasta just because of the price, and it was good sauce and all, but it was fettuccine noodles with marinara, and that was like kind of messy to eat. And I got some grilled chicken on top. It was good.
My cod fish and chips was very good. They had I got the battered fries, and those were really good for sure. The beer here, I got their IPA that they actually brew here. I can't remember the name of it. I'll have to put it in writing, but it was really good.
And I got a blue drink, and it was good. It was vodka, something electric lemonade. That's what it was. Now we're going to do a loop around the park to show you the campground. There's firewood for sale here. There's a little cash box, cash only. These sites are away from the water. You can kind of see it, but these would be the best sites if you're trying to get satellite, Starlink. There's no trees, and then ahead you'll see that it is very wooded. These are all 50 amp full hookups. We haven't had any trouble with the power or anything, except for one morning after a storm there was a power outage that lasted a few hours. As you can see, the trees are pretty close to the road. Might make maneuvering a little tough. Some of the reviews did mention that. We got through here with our 42-foot momentum just fine.
Our visible phones need Verizon towers to work, and we very rarely get any service at all here on the network. But once we leave this campground and get closer into a town, they work pretty well.
The AT&T signal works fine here. Beautiful view. If you have these sites here, you have a front view of the water. These are back in, so you'd have a view from the front. These were all taken when I reserved, but the park's only been about 50% capacity, except for on the weekend it fills up. We're staying here on the center loop in Site 31. Here is our Site 31. You can see it's very wooded. One thing that we had a trouble with backing in here was this tree, the big tree, and then the little tree, and then that rock. That rock's in a very inconvenient location. Site 32 probably would have been a better option because there's no obstacles for backing in, except for this rock right here. Pretty much all of the sites have a fire ring and picnic table. So here's what our site looks like. And we put down our deck and we can look out at Lake Michigan. One thing I forgot to mention about this park, and I read it in the reviews, is a lot of the sites are pretty unlevel. If you can see that, we have leveling blocks and our tires are a little bit off the ground, but it's not too bad, and I would definitely come here again. It was $40 a night.
Hi guys, we're Chris and Katrina from our Everyday Getaway. We'll see you next time on Jarhead and Ginger's Journey.